Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike here for your Delmarva Forecast here on January the 23rd, and we're going to be starting a little bit backwards today as I'm showing you the 7-day forecast, and that's just because I want to show you all of these wonderful raindrops here in the forecast. It's not a fun forecast we've got here coming up. It's a very wet forecast. Let's take a look at what's going on in the atmosphere. So a high pressure system is currently over top of our heads, keeping our weather looking dry right now. However, this high pressure system will be heading off into the Atlantic, and as it moves further into the Atlantic, it will be creating this belt of warm, moist air here from the Gulf that will be bringing rain with it starting Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. This belt of air will be greatly increasing our temperatures. We'll be seeing temperatures in the upper 60s, maybe even hitting 70, as well as bringing plenty of rainfall with it. As we head on into the weekend, a second high pressure system will be just to our north. We'll be right on the edge of it. With the southern half of the peninsula, we'll still be seeing a couple of scattered showers as from the remnants of that rain belt from this system. Heading on into Sunday, we then have a low pressure system that will be moving into our region. It will be bringing our temperatures back down to normal, back down to the mid to low 40s here. This will also be the majority of our rainfall. I'm not going to issue a total rainfall forecast for this system quite yet. I'll be going over the why of that here in just a minute. My rainfall forecast is going to be going to the end of the week, so that's 7 p.m. here on the 27th. And this what I'm showing you is good news. So the NAM model that I'm showing you is biased as a wet model. So it's supposed to show you more rainfall than what is actually going to happen. And it not showing a full inch of rain for the entirety of the peninsula on through Friday is a very good news because our ground is already saturated thanks to the melting snowpack, and we are not going to have a chance to dry out here in between systems. So like I said, this is good news. This model is a mesoscale model, a small resolution model. So it because of that, it doesn't go out as far out as some of the other models. This is actually close to about as far out as it goes. So I do like to wait until this model is in range to start issuing total precipitation forecasts. That's why I don't have the Sunday system in my total rainfall forecast quite yet. Looking back on the 7-day, we're going to look at these temperatures here. Thursday and Friday, I have in the mid 60s right now. This temperature is actually probably a little bit lower than it should be, so do expect that to increase here in the next couple of forecasts. After that, we do head back into the 50s for the weekend and even drop back down into the low 40s by Tuesday.